Hey everybody, and sorry for the loud noise in the background. So I'm going to do a review type, I guess, unboxing. I guess you couldn't call it an unboxing, a showing. Hey Brownie. Hi Brownie. Hi. Want to be in video? Say hi to the people. Okay. She's just going to say hey from back there. So these are this is one of my new warmers. This is the plug-in by cord, and then I have this one that plugs in as well. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. I have a whole box bag that just is ripped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. I'm opening this up and show you what all I have. And this comes with 4 additional scents. So, and he just thinks he's so good at singing.